principal's so dumb.
Do you know who I am?
No.
I am the principal's daughter.
Do you know who I am?
No.
All right, I've got one for you. Why are frogs always so happy?
Because they eat whatever bugs them.
That's a good one. But
How much is a gram?
Depends on what you need.
How much room is needed for fungi to grow?
As much room as possible.
That's a good one.